Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to mention everyone in Microsoft Teams. So at first, you have to go inside chat and basically just find a group, whichever group you find. There has to be multiple members. That's basically a group chat. And in here, if you want to mention everybody, what you have to do is just simply go to type a message. And from here, what you have to do is just type at the rate of. And if you type that, you can see that there's an option called everybody, which basically notify everybody in the chat. Just select that. And as you can see, there's everyone written over here. Then you can type, how are you all, or whatever your message is, just type it over here. And then you can just send it. And after you do this, everybody, every single person in this group chat will be mentioned. And then they will be able to see your message. And basically that is it. And that is how to mention everyone in Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.